Good morning, children. Welcome to Kinterval is Knowledge Interval. In today's session, High Order Thinking Maths, we are going to do some practice questions. So let's start it. The first one is here. Maria and her friends are playing number game. Maria asks her friends to guess the number which are more than or greater than 100 and less than or equals to 105. They are even numbers. They've given you a clue over here. They are even numbers. Now they want you to guess those two numbers. They want you to guess those two even numbers. So we will start writing the numbers which is lying between 100 and 105 will be 101, 102, 103, 104 and 105. From this one, the two even numbers are 102 and 104. So that is the answer. What are these numbers skip counting by? These numbers are skip counting by 2. From 102 to 104, it is a skip counting of 2. Easy? Let's go ahead. The second one here, they've given form the greatest number and smallest number from the given numbers. They've given you a set of numbers from which you have to make a greatest number and smallest number. Now, to make the greatest number, we will go from a descending order. From the highest value of the number to the smallest value of the number gives you the greatest number. And from the smallest value number to the highest value of the number is ascending order will give you the smallest number. Only when there is a 0 while making a smallest number, there will be a little trick that we'll see when we'll go on that number to make it out. We'll start with the B first. So to make the greatest number, the highest value of number is 9, then 6, then 4, then 2 and then 1. From the highest value of the number, move to the smallest value of the number. It's a descending order. It gives you greatest number. And we'll go for the reverse. In the smallest number, we'll write 1, then 2, then 4, and then 6 and 9. Easy? Now we'll go for the A. The highest value number is 8, then 7, then 3, then 2, and then 0. While making a 0 on a last one, it's a normal thing since 0 is the lowest value. But while making the smallest number from this one, if we'll keep 0 first over here, it doesn't make any sense to make the highest number or a smallest number. So what we are going to do, we will take the 2 from here first and we will put it on a highest value 2, then put the 0 from left hand side. You have to put the second placing for the 0 to make the smallest number. This is a trick to make the smallest number. Then go ahead for 3, 7 and 8. So children, is it clear? When you have a 0 over here, while making the smallest number, don't make it on the highest place value. Put it on the second place value from your left hand side, which gives you the smallest number over here. And write the second smallest number over here on a highest place value. Okay children, clear? We'll go ahead. Now here they've given you some filling the blank to fill. 6, 12, filling the blank, 48, 96. Now here we can see clearly that it might be a skip counting of 6. It's a plus 6 to the next place, or it can be a multiplied by 2, since we have seen here it is a very big numbers over here, so that might be option that goes, every step is going multiplied by 2 over here. You have to think in that such a way. Now let's see by skip counting of 6 first. What is happening? The third placing will be 6. If it is a skip counting of 6, then 18 and then 24, which is not correct over here because 24 is here coming as a fourth number, where here they have given 48, and 48 multiplied by 2, if you do, it gives you 96. So it is confirmed that it is not a skip counting of 6, but it might be a skip multiplied by 2. Now let's see. 6 2s are 12, then 12 2s are gives you 24. And of course 24 multiplied by 2, when you do it, it gives you 48, which is over here on a fourth place they have already given. So this is matching to this one, and 48 multiplied by 2 gives you 96. So this answer is correct. It's a multiplication of a 2. This type of question comes in a pattern or skip counting. So answer is 24. Now here, this is they have given you the decimal over here, 2.5 and 5. It can be a plus of a 2.5 or then the first one is a plus of a 2.5 and the next step is a multiplied by 2. That pattern might be going on. Why? Because 2.5 to 5 both are adding into that one, plus 2.5 or multiplied by 2, both are matching into that. But since they've given you here 15, if you go here multiplied by 2, that if you go here from 5 multiplied by 2 and if you are writing 10 over here, it's a wrong thing, because that will go into the skip counting of 5 then. So that one is not going. So the pattern is going, the first one is going plus 2.5 and then the second number is going multiplied by 2. So 5 plus 2.5 gives you here what? 7.5, and from 7.5 to multiplied by 2 it gives you 15. This pattern is going on. This type of tricky question comes into the aptitude test or some higher level of a test. Okay. So here also 5 to 7 it gives you plus 2. That means a skip counting of 2. But from 7 to 11 it gives you plus 4. So the pattern might be number is going plus 2 and plus 4. Here again if we see from 11 to 13 it gives you plus 2, and here it is giving 13 to 17 again plus 4. So we will follow this pattern in a skip counting or a making a pattern. From 17 to 2 it gives you 19, and from 19 to 4 it gives you 20, 21, 22, 23. It gives you 23. But from 23 again you have to do it plus 2, that is 24 and 25. So we have also followed the same pattern here by giving plus 2, plus 4 and plus 2. Clear? This type of little tricky question can come in some type of papers in a high order thinking. Okay children, we'll go ahead. Here they have given you a grid. Write the missing number. Now in grid they have put 3, 2, 6, 1, 4, 4, 3, 8, and here there is a question, you have to fill the number over here. Now this type of grid you must see first that whether it is done an addition, subtraction or a multiplication or division. What is done? 3 2s are 6, 1 4 are 4. Now we'll see on the standing one, 3 into 1 gives you 3. 2 into 4 gives you 8. So in all the squares, we can see very clearly it is a multiplication done. So 6 4s are 24 and 3 8s are also 24. So the answer will be 24. Clear children? Now here they have given you, if it takes 10 blocks to a staircase, which is already given over here, which are in a 4 steps, how many blocks will require for 12 steps? So they've given you here 4 steps. Each step is having one number of block increasing if we go from a top to down. So we can assume that the 12th step, which is on a below one down over here, will have a 12 steps to make the steps over here, and above that it will go to the 11 and then 10 and then 9 and so on till reach to the 1 over here. So if you have to make a 12 steps over here, it's a one block every time adding downwards. Okay, so this type of test, when you are setting it up, you have to understand some of the shortcuts. If you take the number from 1 to 10 addition, it gives you answer is a 55. You have to remember this thing. First now you do it and check it out whether it is coming 55 or not. The first 10 digits addition will come 55, and then you have to do 55 plus 11 and plus 12. Correct children? The 10 steps will give you 55, then 11 and then 12. The answer will come 78 blocks. Okay, do it yourself and check it out. And remember this type of shortcuts from 1 to 10 digit, first 10 digits number addition will give you 55. This type of addition you must remember. Now, if John is purchasing a juice of $12 or bread is for $6, help him to find out the note he has to give to the shopkeeper, so he will get some coins which he wants to donate for a charity. Now this is a clear question of a rounding off. They have given you $12 of juice and bread of 6 gives you what? $18. Correct? Now if you do the rounding off of 18, it goes near to the 20. Right? So if he is giving a $20 note to the shopkeeper, he will get a change as a $2 which he can donate for the charity. This is a simple question. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Have a great day. Bye-bye.